Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video and it's another limited edition summer beauty box. And it's Latest in Beauty's Grazia collaboration. This is what it looks like. This box arrived yesterday completely out of the blue. I didn't know I was going to be receiving it, so thank you to Latest in Beauty for sending it to me. So I thought as I unboxed their last limited edition box, which is still on sale now, which is this Style Essentials box. If you don't know anything about it, I'll pop a link in the description down below. So I thought I would unbox this and show you as well. It costs £50, it contains 18 beauty products, and it has a value of £244. All details related to this box I will link down below, so underneath this video click show more and that will bring up description and all links to this box will be down there. Unfortunately this box is only available within the UK. So let's open it up and show you what you get inside. I've got some leaflets in here, and if you're interested in taking a look at Latest in Beauty, the subscription monthly box that you can get, they've got a code here for £5 off your first box. I'll link that code in the description because it's quite a long one, but there's that. And then we've got a little leaflet here that tells you everything about the products inside the box as well. We've swatched, swiped and slathered on a hell of a lot of products in our time, and only a select few make it through to our personal beauty stash, which is exactly where Grazia's very first Best in Beauty box comes in. An edit of our tried and tested hero products which make the cut time and time again because they're that good. You're going to get on very well indeed. I'll give you a quick sneak peek. Oh, but you're not going to be able to see all 18 because they're all buried under there. So the first two items are by the same brand, Lumity. One is morning and one is night. They're supplements. There's 21 soft gels in each, and in the morning one it says take 3 in the morning, your 7-day on-the-go supply, a clinically proven formulation of amino acid, vitamins, minerals and omegas, around-the-clock healthy beauty support. And then for night we've got take 3 at bedtime, and it says exactly the same information. But I'm assuming there's different things in different ones. I'll have a look at the information now, see if it tells me a little bit more in there. So we've got a 7-day supply of morning and night, and it says for overall health maintenance around the clock, pop 3 supplements at morning and 3 at night as well. It has got more information on the back. It's got the ingredients and everything in there. I'll just give you a quick look just so that you know exactly what you're putting inside your body. There. So those are those there. Next we've got little travel sizes of Miller Harris Perfumer London, and we've got tea tonic, and we've got a shower wash, and we've got a body lotion. This is what they look like there. And these come in at 50 mils each. I'm sure I've had this before. Have I had shampoo and conditioner maybe from this brand? Oh, it smells nice. Just nice and fresh, really nice and fresh. So the shower wash, it creates subtle layers of fragrance. This uplifting and refreshing scent lingers on your skin for all day freshness. And then the body lotion, hydrate your skin with a bright scent of tea tonic. This luxe body lotion not only leaves skin nourished, but also delicately fragrant. Let's try it then. Only a little bit. Oh, it feels so nice. It feels really thick and luxurious on the skin. Yeah, it's exactly like it's the same scent as the shower gel or the shower wash. Oh, it's lovely. So there's those. Next we've got a Tropic Hair Smooth. I think it's a serum. I love the packaging of this. Tropic is an amazing brand. Up until a couple of months ago, I'd never heard of them. I absolutely love their lip balm. It's like a coral sort of subtle lip balm. Oh my gosh, and it tastes of fudge as well, or it smells of fudge. It is beautiful, and I think I haven't tried anything else, so I'm really excited to try this. It's a Hair Smooth Radiance Oil, and this is 75 mils. Because it's clear, you're not going to be able to see much there. I've got to be careful with hair oils because I've got super thin hair. I wear like hair pieces and things in my hair just to thicken it up. But yeah, I have to be careful because sometimes they weigh it down more, or I end up putting a little bit too much on and it ends up looking stringy. But I'll give this a go. What's it say? A savvy styling oil that works to hydrate and tame frizz in a flash for notably glossier lengths. There's 100% naturally derived and cruelty free as well. So there's that. Then we got a Ole Henriksen, I think I've said that right. And this is Truth. Brightens anti-aging all-day hydration. And this is a Truth serum, collagen boosted with True C complex. And this is 7 mils. I've been wanting to try some products from this brand. I saw a video where Jamie Genevieve on YouTube, she went to meet him and got to learn all about their products and things like that, and yeah, she swears by it. But yeah, this is the first time trying it and I'm really excited. I love serums. That's what it looks like there. So it says, your skin's daily multivitamin. This potent serum brightens, tightens and delivers all day hydration. So there's that. Then we got a product by Terry, and this is the Baume de Rose, and this is lip balm or lip care. This is a 3 gram. It's a little teeny tiny one. Again, I've seen this mentioned on YouTube lots of times by a YouTuber called Lydia Millen. And she loves this brand, and yeah, it's always, she says it's amazing. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It is so cute. You can tell I'm a little bit influenced, aren't you? By these YouTubers, which, yeah, not enough to go out and actually buy everything that they use and say and everything, obviously. No, but it just means that if I ever get to try these products, I know a little bit about them beforehand. And I can see for myself if they're good. Let's see what it's like. I can't put it on my lips, but I just want to see. I'm not that keen on rose smells, so I hope it's not strong. Yeah, it is quite strong. Never mind. But I'm curious to see what it is actually like on my lips though. So what's it say here? Every beauty addict needs to try this lip balm at some point in their life. It's that good. I got the chance now. So there's that. Then we've got something that I have tried before, and this is Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and we've got 7 mils. That's the outer package. Now, I had a beauty box from ASOS last year sometime. I think it's last year anyway, and they did a collaboration with Bobbi Brown. Or they did a box full of Bobbi Brown products, and this was in it, and I loved it. I really loved it. Nice simple packaging. Use this soothing cream under makeup and count the you look well compliments that follow. So there's that. Then we've got a spray, Liquid Yoga Space Spray, and it's by Mio, Fit Skin for Life. And warning, may cause relaxation and happiness. Okay, relax, calm and rebalance. Oh wow, okay. We've got a 53 ml bottle there. That's what it looks like there. Is it just to spray around you to calm you? Oh, whoa. That is really nice. It's sort of got a peppermint, but also like lavender in there as well. Oh, that is really nice. What is it? Spritz the essential oil blend on pulse points, pillows, yoga mats, you name it, for an instant dose of de-stress. Ah, right, okay. I really like that actually, because it's got that sort of peppermint sort of smell in it as well. Maybe a lemon? I'm not sure. That is quite nice. So there's that. Then we've got a Brioche EO or a Brioche EO. It's Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. No harsh sulfate, silicones or parabens. And we've got 30 mils here. So there's that. Detox and soothe your scalp with this clever cocktail of charcoal, peppermint and green tea. So that's that item. We've got another hair product, and this is by Philip Kingsley, and this is the Elasticizer, the famous Elasticizer. And this is pomegranate and cassis. Now, unfortunately for me, I don't have much luck with it. You don't apply it to your hair just before you're about to dye your hair, plus you don't apply it to your hair just after you dye your hair. And I didn't do that. I did wait a little while in between, but it still stripped my hair colour a little bit. But that could be due to the actual brand of hair dye I'm using. I'm not too sure, but I am a little bit nervous. But my hair really needs colouring at the moment, but I'm going to wait for another week, so I think maybe now is the best time to try it. It's supposed to be like a hair treatment. It's supposed to make your hair thick and smooth and luxurious, and you can do it as a pre-shampoo treatment in the shower. You can do it weekly, you can do it daily even, I think. And the longer you leave it on your hair, the better. So is there any extra information here? A bona fide cult classic, this pre-shampoo treatment works wonders for every hair type and helps hydrate strands from within. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Bare Minerals, and this is Prime Time Original Foundation Primer. This is the outer packaging, 7 mils. So that's what that looks like. Haven't tried many Bare Minerals products, but I do have, and I do use it regularly, the Bare Minerals, the Hydration Primer. And oh, it is so lovely. It smooths the skin and it creates a gorgeous, gorgeous base. So yeah, so this is the original one. So I can't wait to give that a go as well, see if it's any different or whether I do prefer the hydrating one because my skin is of a certain age. I don't know. But anyway, best-selling Mineral Pack Primer, glides on with ease and leaves no tacky trace. So there's that. We've got Eve Lom and we've got a cleanser. Now this is a cleansing balm, 20 mils. I've had this before and it is gorgeous. Really lovely. I love all cleansing balms in all honesty. I haven't had a cleansing balm that I don't like. This is what it looks like there. If you haven't tried cleansing balms, they're just gorgeous. They sort of melt your makeup off. So really, really lovely. So it says, a bestseller for a reason. Using the signature cleansing balm twice a day is a fast track to glower skin. To glowier skin, I should say. So there's that. Next we've got a Lancaster Tan Maximizer 1 month tan prolonging, repairing after sun soothing moisturizer. Oh wow, it's 50 mils. There. I don't tan. I'm a factor 50 all over sort of person, even on holiday. It's only because I've had skin cancer, and I burn. My skin is pale and I burn and then I go brown, but I just don't want to risk the burning stage. So unfortunately I'll give that away. Keep the holiday bronze going stronger for longer with a smart body cream that intensifies melanin production for a long lasting tan. So there's that item there. Next we got a Bumble and Bumble and it's BB Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray. This is 25 mils. So it looks like there. And it says, a team favourite, this translucent day finishing spray adds impressive volume and long lasting lift in seconds. So there's that. Then we got a Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home and it's a volumizing mascara. It's in like a little tube. Oh, it looks like a nice wand. A nice big wand there. I always have difficulties getting mascaras to suit my lashes. They are so small, so thin, really, really hard to look nice naturally. But yeah, a nice big brush, but not too big, but a nice big brush tends to work better. Lens & Lashes big, blown out volume. This nifty number is everything you've ever wanted in a mascara. So there's that. We got a big Vita Liberata body blur, and this is a HD skin finish, and this is 100 mils in shade Latte. Now the reason I say big is because whenever I've received this in subscription boxes, it's been tiny. It's been like 7 mils, and it's for your body, so it's not gonna last long. Maybe my shoulder, my face and my top of my shoulder maybe, but no, I got a big size. I'm really excited to try it. It's amazing on the skin. It is gorgeous. I'm not sure about Latte. Can't remember what shades I have tried actually, but let's have a go. Let's have a go on my hand. Ooh. Once you blend it in, it does look more natural. Yeah, compared to my other hand. Think of this as foundation for your body, which lends a veil of natural looking coverage that doesn't budge or smudge. So there's that. Then we got a Rosewater Balancing Mist by JURLIQUE. I think I said that right. And it's a refreshing mist to hydrate and soften. And this is 100 mils. That's the outer packaging. Beautiful packaging. The bottle is so cute. Look at it. That is really lovely, isn't it? It's on your desk, in your bathroom, on your bedside table. Fit this face spritz anywhere in your routine for an instant hydration boost. I love sprays. I love face sprays. It has got a rose smell, but it's quite subtle. It's not in your face rose. So if you're like me and you don't really like rose smelling things, it's not bad at all. It is okay. Oh, it just feels nice on my face. What's it say here then? It says the light hydrating mist with precious rose essential oil is designed to help improve skin tone, moisture levels and skin balance. Marshmallow and aloe help to hydrate skin surface. Skin feels hydrated, refreshed and dewy. So there's that. And one item left, and we've got a Aurelia Probiotic Skincare Aromatic Repair and Brighten Hand Cream. It's with vetiver, ylang ylang, lavender and patchouli, and bio-organic ingredients and 75 mils. So that's the outer packaging there. And that's what it looks like there. A big gold tube. Let's try it on my other hand. Whoa, that is quite a strong smell. That is quite a strong smell. It's not horrible, but it's quite strong. I wasn't expecting it to be that strong. But it's nice. It's very much like a spa type of smell. You know, if you were to go into like a multi-room type spa and you've got like steam rooms and saunas and you can smell all the oils, and everything. It just smells like that. It is lovely. It is really nice. But yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be that strong for some reason. I don't know why, but it feels lovely on my hand. Yeah, just a nice hand cream. So what's it say here? One of the bedside table, this Luxe cream works on stubborn pigmentation while leaving hands in tip-top shape. So those are all the items. I'm just going to gather them all up and show you one by one what you'll get in the box if this box takes your fancy. Bare Minerals Prime Time Primer, Vlom Cleansing Balm, Lancaster Tan Extender, Kat Von D Mascara in black, Ole Henriksen Truth Serum, Vita Liberata Body Blur, got a Mio Liquid Yoga Calming type of spray. Then we got Tonique by Miller and Harris, a body wash and a body cream. Got a Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Got a Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. Bumble & Bumble BB Thickening Texturizing Spray. We've got a By Terry Baume de Rose Lip Balm. Then we got a Tropic Hair Smooth Hair Serum. Then we got a Brioche EO Scalp Revival Shampoo. Then we got a pack of Lumity Soft Gel Capsules, 1 night, 1 day. It's a 7-day supply. Then we got a Aurelia Repair and Brighten Hand Cream. And finally, we've got a JURLIQUE Balancing Facial Mist. So those are all the items. There are 18 items in all. Box costs £50, has a value of £244. So when I first saw it online, I was comparing it to the Style Essentials box, which I received a couple of weeks ago. In all honesty, even though there's lots and lots of brilliant products inside this box, I was thinking, it's not as good as the Style Essentials box. I think for me personally, there's more items in that box that suit me than this one. But now that I've had a chance to unbox it and go through it all and smell it and try it and things, there is a lot of items in here. Absolutely, it was 18 products in here. And I think for the value, it is so good. So I think based on just seeing it on paper, it didn't excite me as much, if I'm honest. There's no way you can call this a bad box. Oh my gosh, no way whatsoever. But I was comparing it to their last limited edition box. But as I said, now that I've tried it all, seen it all, smelt it, yes, there's some things there that might not be suitable for me, but there's certain things that, you know, I can't wait to try the Truth Serum or the lip balm, or I don't know, there's lots of stuff there. I can't even think now. There's loads and loads of products there. But yeah, I am really chuffed and I'm so grateful for Latest in Beauty for sending it out to me, even though I didn't have a clue you were going to do it. So thank you. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.